Welcome to the You Install It Kitchen's 3D online planner. Start planning your next project today in just 4 easy steps. Begin with your room layout. Start by choosing a standard room shape or an existing You Install It template and adjust for your specific room dimensions. If your room has a different shape, select Free Room and create your custom design. Add room elements with walls, doors, windows and floors. There is an entire range of styles, materials and colours to choose from. Now it's time to add your You Install It cabinetry products. Simply click on the product you wish to add or drag and drop a product to your desired location. It's that easy. Select from the full range of You Install It cabinets to create your unique design. If there's a cabinet not quite the right size for your plan, we have the solution. Fully customisable cabinetry is available from You Install It Kitchens. Select a similar sized item in the planner and our consultants will assist with your custom size requirements at the time of order. Your cabinetry manufactured specific to your space. Now it's time to select your You Install It range. Choose from our huge range of colours and finishes. Trial combinations, explore options, and bring your design to life in 3D. Finalise your plan to save and receive it as a PDF file via email. Your PDF will contain your unique 3D colour images, floor plan with measurements, and itemised list of all products and selections. You can also reload and edit your plan at any time, as well as make multiple plans to compare. A copy of your plan will be sent to our You Install It team, who will assist you with quoting and ordering, helping you bring your project to life. You Install It Kitchens, far cry quality, locally made, fully customisable, pre-assembled cabinetry ready to install. If you're planning a new kitchen or other cabinetry, get started with the You Install It Kitchen 3D online planner today. You Install It Kitchens, the complete DIY kitchen solution.